Hello, everybody. Rufio. Oh. Yeah. Hey, Faffin. How you doing? How's it going, friend? Hey, Pile. What is up? Sorry it's so late, everybody. I've been working out super late at night. Oh. But this is no filter, so I'm a little bit... Oh, no, don't say that. I'm feeling very self-conscious today. Baffin, how was your trip? Are you back or are you still on it? Hold on, I don't want the stairs in the view. That's not good. I feel like that's not always been like that too. There we go. Thank you. That's true. I guess that's true, Piling. You would know. Golly gee dang. Yeah. Good. No, that's good. It's always good to like make those decisions for yourself, for your timeline. It's good. But it's good that you went. I'm glad you went. I hope it was edifying. Good. Oh, cut off the second leg. For shame, old sloppy. The typo? My hair is very shiny. It is very shiny. How you doing, DC Raid Boss? How you been? I just washed it. I use a BioSilk. So it is super shiny. It's shinier than, I think, like usually I put a little makeup on and I didn't today. And so usually my hair is secondary, but let's eat. Hey, tuna omelet. How's it going? 14 months.
When did you go back to Python?
When did I go back to Python? I've never left Python. But you're right. I kind of go back and forth all the time. Yeah, so I mean, I think today one of the things that I want to do is let me just share my screen right now. I know I'm in VS Code, so please forgive me. I was just getting my my .env file, and it's easier to just fix it in here than it is. I probably could just do it now though in WSL. I'm just not used to it. So what I'm doing today, what I think I want to do is refactor this a little bit so that it uses a different server. I want to take away the dependency of it on a virtual environment for the tuna kind of omelet. Good. Lots of omelets? You made a lot of omelets? It is appropriate. So I wanna refactor it so it's just vibes. I wanna put it in a different so I want to run it with this fast API, I think it is. I want to run it with Flask or something, and then I want to put it on my server. And so I think it's important for me to start thinking about like why it's because you know, I mean, as I've learned since I wrote this is Mecha Chrissy. This needs to be decoupled from it too a little bit. But since I've learned this, or since I wrote this, I've learned a lot about software development, and I kind of want to like challenge myself today and sort of think about like, all right, well, can you look at this old code and make sense of it and change it for the better and put it up on your server without a virtual environment? You know, can I run like system Python on my server? I know Piling's like, what's the surprise, Piling? I'm excited for the surprise. Is it a good vimrc that you want to give me? Is it a Chrissy Codes colored vimrc? That would be a really good surprise. I should probably make my own theme, honestly. Chrissy Codes theme. I think it'd be really fun. So yeah, so I'm just excited today. Okay, that sounds good. Past kettle is always so confident in future kettle. Future kettle is always so disappointed in past kettle's optimism. Ah, ah. I think yeah, that's fair. Future kettle's always, I don't know if I'm disappointed in my optimism, but I understand what you're saying, I think. I don't know what kettle is. Is kettle K-E-T-T, is that like a cup of, is it supposed to be L-E, but you saying it different? Or is kettle like a different thing? Now I need to look up what a kettle is. Kettle music. Oh, no, they're just calling it, no. Short for kettle bear. Oh, you. Oh, you're talking about yourself. Oh, well, don't be disappointed in past kettle's optimism if you can help it. But otherwise, kettle bear like kettlebell. So instead of lifting kettlebells, you lift bears that are kettle bears. Like, so it's a lifting thing and they're just tiny bears on a little hook. That would be pretty fun. I do want to visit. Yeah, I get that too, kettle. I get it. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Past me is a jerk. Future me is a freeloader. No, I rely a lot on future me. You lift full-size bears. Well, heck yeah. Heck yeah, friend. All right, so let's I want to see what my vibrating is. What's everybody's vibrating? I'm 7th. So I did reset the database today. No pain, no gain. Yeah. LFG, man. I've been lifting. Would you guys like to see my muscles? Would you like to see them? They're getting better. I'm really excited. I'm wearing no shirt, so please excuse me. I'm flying today. And so not pics. You get live muscles. There's nothing there today. Not even a little bit. Oh no. Oh well. Love handles are best handles. Amen.
You can do it!
Amen. Thanks, old sloppy. I'm just being silly mostly. Today was leg day, so mostly I just don't want to stand up. And I'm not about to flex my legs. I don't even know how that goes. Hot tub stream? Yeah, maybe. I'll be in a hot tub next week, so. I got a wedding to go to this week. I'm pretty excited. I'm not going to be streaming very long today because my flight is at 7, and I have to be there 2 hours early, so I have to leave a ridiculous time before that to get to the airport, so it's a lot. I should disable the split redeems. Yeah, let's do that because I don't want to do the leg day. Oh, can you guys not do IRL bubbles? I'm sorry about that. All right, split redeems is, let's bring IRL bubbles back because it is definitely up with vibes. Great, cool. Oh, I think it needs more bubble solution though. I think it needs more bubble solution. Do you have a hot tub just like hanging around, or is there one at your gym, Faffin? Should we test IRL bubble? Should I test it? Or does someone want to do it first? That stupid chair. Damn chair. I can't even go back without damn chair. So I'm working basically really remotely this week. So I have to make sure that my computer still works because it has a crack in the front of it. So I'm going to be carrying my computer all around with a crack in the front of it. It's pretty exciting. If there isn't one at the gym, I hate that gym. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, cool. So today, basically, I think I want to make a branch. Let's just see what the Git status is. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of this. Let's see if I can do this in WSL and kind of navigate the world there. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see. Let's see. What's the surprise? All right, so going into WSL, I'm not going to hit my server yet. I'm just going to see if I can do a little bit more in this universe. Now, I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm not even sure what distro I'm on. Let's make this bigger. At my local WSL, because I've been working on the server one, so I'm not entirely sure. Oh, the Vim plugin? Oh, that's really cool. It's interesting. That's interesting, Piling. Oh, if you ever want to stay in VS Code world, you can install a Vim plugin. So I can use a VS Code extension in Vim, is what you're saying? I'm not sure I want to do that. Or a Vim extension in VS Code. I see. Okay. You're scared of it, Fafin? Beeson, thank you for the follow. Welcome on into the stream. It's a little crooked today. Hold on, it's because the stupid stairs. It's crooked. I don't know why it's off. If I made a Vim extension, it would remove the quit button so that you could never leave. You could really never leave. Vim hell. Hey, Loki, how's it going? How you been? How's life going, friend? Talk to me for a little while. I feel like you pop in, say hi, and then I don't hear much. Can you tell me how things are? Vim extension is best extension. However, I prefer to just work in Vim NeoVim. Yeah. I don't know. It's a cool idea, the Vim extension. I might try it sometime. But right now, I think what I'm going to do is see what I can do locally with WSL and Vim. So I'm going to go into desktop and Mechacracy. Oop. No, okay. CD, desktop, Twitch app, Mechacracy. Okay. Learn Vim motions, take them anywhere. Oh, that's really cool. I think that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's awesome. Things are good there. That's great. I'm so happy to hear that. That makes me really happy. It's always good when things are good. Always good. It's nice and it's like a good place to be. Feels less dramatic, feels less exciting, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, Piling. I think I might do that. Well, I don't know. It might be cool because I can still use Twitch highlighter and like highlight my line, which might be really cool. Oh, that's so exciting. Congratulations for the addition to your family. Time to whistle. All right, so then what we're going to do is, hold on, I want to, whew, sheesh. My good heavens. So alembic, and then all the vibes, the sentiment analysis. Bot 2 had been changed. Look at all this stuff I'm changing. Well, I better. I know, right? It's so exciting. So let's go ahead and commit this. I don't think I need all of it, but I might as well. It's not going to hurt anything, and then I'll clean it up a little bit. Is this a Windows to get diff? Sure. Oh, that's a good thought. I didn't know that. Get diff. Okay, so we added a description. How can I tell, Piling? So my environment file is modified, but I don't want to commit that. Is that in here? It's not in here. That's weird though. Sentiment analysis looks like it was modified. How can you tell if it's just a, oh, those line endings, M, okay, got you, yep, up, caret M. Here's a trick, show me a trick. Okay, hold on, I gotta get out of here. Quit. Okay, sudo apt install DOS to Unix. Oh, fudge. Okay. What did that do? Okay, it installed. Okay, now I'm going to do it again. Then DOS to Unix. Let's do, let's see. It's not really a file I can look. I guess I can just look at bot.js for now. Converting file bot.js to Unix format, then git diff bot.js. Oh, git diff. Okay, so it's still fixed it. I see. But even though when I do the big git diff, it still has the difference here. Interesting. So the line endings in, so you're saying the line endings in Unix, oh, are the differentiators. I see. That's my git ignore I'm looking at. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm sorry. You're right. I'm silly. This is my git ignore. And then this is my readme, and that has line endings. Okay, so let me do that. Let me do the DOS to Unix, and I'll do readme dot md, and that will convert it. And then now I do git diff readme. I see what you're saying now, because this description is missing the line ending. But now if I do git diff, I see. DOS to Unix dot git ignore. I see. Got you. Git status. So readme's still here though. You think so? Git ignore is still here and readme is still here. I mean, it could be that I did different things beside the line endings, but git diff readme dot md. Nothing. This is very odd. Git status. Coder!
1 year smile.
Yay! 1 year, friend. Thank you so much for hanging around for 1 year. Are you thinking of streaming again soon? I know you're kind of settled into your new gig, right? I would love for you to stream soon. Try DOS. Oh, okay. That's fine. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Lots of boxes. Oh, got you. You just have to unpack and stuff. That makes sense. Yeah. I'm debating whether I want to. So it's fixing the files right, but it's still seeing them as modified. It's odd. And it's not, there's no diff. A mode change. Interesting. So if I do this, can I just, let me get out of, all right. So if I get out of WSL and I just go ahead and CD into, and I do git diff, git status. Yeah, look, oh my gosh. So now those are modified because I modified them from DOS to Unix. Man, that is so interesting. And a little bit frustrating, gotta be honest. So why? In the working copy of .git ignore, LF will be replaced by CRLF the next time Git touches it. Yeah, it seems like carriage return. It does seem like Linux adds LF. Interesting. And so they fight. Wow. So when you like when you work with someone on like Git, the same Git repo, and one person is carriage return line feed. Thank you, Josh. When you work with someone, hi, how are you? And they're working on Linux and you're working on Windows, are you just constantly like recommitting every single line ending? That seems like such a pain. And really interesting. Woo-hoo! Hello, ship. What's up, friend? There's something you can change in your Git config. This is why I work in Notepad++ on Windows. I can select my end of line format. Synthandrous, that sounds good. Yeah, I can look it up. Or do I? I try to make a new branch anyway. I kind of want to YOLO it. Or I guess it can't hurt to learn it. It might be a pain. I just don't know how much I want to spend on that since I'm not going to be on very long tonight. But let's just see. Let's go see. Git config ignore CLF CRLF. Bubbles! YOLO! I might just see. Auto CRLF. Let's just do this. All right, let's try this setting. If it breaks something, it breaks. Hey, Dale, how's it going? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Git config global.core auto CRLF input. Configure git line endings handling on Windows. You have to do both. Is this global? Oh, this is global. Let's do this. Let's check it out. Let's try it out. Git config global setting core. Oh, core. Interesting. Yeah, fuck it. Can always set it. Should I see what it is now? Yeah, I know what you're saying. I don't even know what it is now, so I feel like I shouldn't reset it. Let's just do it. Let's just deal with it. I'll just YOLO it. I'll just have them convert all the time. It's not a big deal. Because what I really want to do right now is that's true. That's true. And it's definitely a waste of time. I think I'm going to be working on WSL here and on the server, so I might as well commit them as is to a new branch. I'm going to make a dev branch so that I can just pull Vibrator out and leave Mecha Chrissy by itself. Because right now they're in the same Git repository and I don't want them to be. And then I'll refactor it so that I can look at it. So we're gonna do, rather than let's see. Do I want to make an entirely different repository or a new branch and delete all of the Mecha Chrissy files? I think I want to do the second one. I think I want to do the second one. Okay. All right. So basically I could just do do I need serial? I don't know. I don't think so. So if I do vim serial, oh yeah, because that's bubbles. Interesting. I do think I still want to commit. No, bubbles is just in. I don't think I used serial/serial Streamlab system. Bubbles! What happened? Oh no, I forgot to turn it on. There we go. Sorry, Faffin, that's gonna be a little bit less time. I'll do it again, no problem. Burbles! Burbles! I'll do it again after cooldown. Okay, so let me just look at serial because I might need this, right? Serial comport, bite-size parity. Yeah. Time sleep, serial write, serial flush. I don't remember if I used this. But I guess I can look at, let me go look at my main file because I am using serial.tools.list ports, but I don't think I'm doing anything. I am. So I'm using serial and I'm using serial.tools.list ports. So I do want to make sure I'm paying attention to those. All right. Satisfied. Yay. That's good. I'm going to do it again anyway. Oh, wait. Wrong bubble. Wrong bubbles. Love me a good IRL. All right. And then, all right. So let's go ahead and let's quit out of this because I know I'm using serial. Yummy cereal. So is anybody confused on what we're doing? Uh-oh. A face scan? But why? It's like I'm like one of those, what am I? I was one of those, Tanawa! Hey, T, how's it going? You're so close to finally getting the points to run IRL bubbles. That's awesome, Synthandrous. Thank you for hanging out all this time. Earning your keep. Once you have IRL bubbles in Chrissy Code Stream, once you've been here long enough for that, you're in the club. You're already in the club. Don't worry about it. But hey, T, how's it going?
Good. Whoa! Good. I'm happy to hear that, Synth Woo! That scared me. Wow. Oh, Mecha Chrissy is here to take over the stream. Hi Typhus, how are you? This is my voice
mod. It's my new voice. It goes away, but welcome. What we're doing right now is we're actually, I'm going to make a new branch for my, my vibrator. Vibrator is a tool that measures the vibes of chat. You can, as a matter of fact, I bet your vibrating is up already because you had one chat. So I'm number 16. I'm number 15 out of 16 users, meaning that like the vibes that I've been sending in chat are pretty low compared to everybody else. Freedom Dow, you got to say something first before you have a vibrating. Yeah, no, that's okay. Now do it. Now you're good. Now you've added yourself to the database. Synthranda's number 10. What? Better than me. Yeah, you're still number 0. I don't know what happened, Freedom Down. Must not be high enough. Number 0. Is there a public repo? Yeah, there is a public repo, Typus. You can go ahead and check it out. It's Chrissy Code / vibrator. I don't really like do any I haven't accepted any pull requests because I kind of want to do everything by myself for now. But once I start improving it, I think I'm going to make it, more open source. So let's do Anonymous, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, Synthranada. Welcome to the smack, my friend. Yeah, vibrator. Exactly. You've got it. You understand. I can just go right over to GitHub. Hold on. Am I hiding anything? No, not really. Okay. Vibrator. This is where it is. And you can mess with it. So Mecha Chrissy. So I'm actually splitting it apart right now, Typhus. So right now there is a bunch of JS in it. Oh, I know, for real. I know. It's what I've been doing, Typhus, is getting my server ready to host it, so that I can start messing with it there instead of here. It's not the best idea, but it's gonna still be fun. So I'm putting it in my dev environment. Everybody loves it. So I'm putting it in my dev environment for now, and we're just going to test it out and see how it goes. Yeah, my last commit is a long time ago, but today I'm refactoring it so that it is better. So actually, it doesn't look like I use any of this serial stuff. Oh, I use this serial file, and this is the one I use this Python file for it. So I should be solid to get rid of everything out of here and just keep serial and sentiment analysis. We don't even have to clean between uses. What? The bubbles? All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically make a new branch. This is also getting me used to Git. I feel like I don't use all of this enough. Does it rate the vibes if we talk in Leet talk? No, Freedom Dow, but I will improve the model. These are many steps to improving this model. And one of them is adding emotes. I mean, I think it'd be really cool to simply just have an entire emote library that basically like you just rated the vibe of an emote. Because vibes in emotes have like a different they've got like a different level of vibe, you know, like words, they can be variable. Like if you say, heck yeah, or that's not, or what, that's not the right one. There's one that no way is a good one. So no way feels like it's negative on its own, you know, but if all different people rate a certain emoji or emote based on its vibe, it creates a different, more categorized Twitch center. And also vibes. No, yeah, no. No, yeah, no. 100% Q logic. That's freaking hilarious and totally true. So what we're going to do is, and I'm also going to look at, rather than look at, whole groups of whole phrases, I'm going to try to start thinking about how to look at texts as they follow other texts. So chicken noodle soup, not a good vibe. I guess not. It should be though. I'm very hungry. Now I'm very hungry. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a new Git branch. So I think you name it and then you do -B, right? Like create a new branch. I wonder if I should use a Git, like a Git cheat sheet, and then just get used to it and do it more and more, you know? Git branch should be Git branch, and then you do the branch name and that'll create it, right? Yep. Git branch name. Hey, the Chaos Lab. How you doing? Thank you for the follow. There you go, Freedom DAO. So the new branch we're going to do is going to be, we're going to call it dev. We're going to call it the dev branch. And we're going to switch to it. Git checkout dev. Awesome. Oh, thank you for the water. Hold on, let me grab some. I'll be right back. That's what I was going to do. Yeah, that's what I was going to do. I knew there was a way to do it, Brainless Society. That's what I usually do, is the -B. So I was like, oh, when I use this cheat sheet, it kind of like, maybe I shouldn't use a cheat sheet. Maybe I should use my gut, and we'll see how it goes. Let me go grab a water. Cheers, everybody. I'm not supposed to toast with water. Oh, I did it, kind of. Yeah, it's for creating and switching, I think, Fafin. Yes, just about to start. Oh, what are you going to be doing, Chaos Lab? What's your coding going to be today? So what I don't want to do is interesting. So now what is on that branch? Like I checked it out and I made a new one. It wouldn't create a repo. Oh no, I don't think so. No, it'll just be a branch, I think, Fafin. I'm pretty sure. Is that what you're saying? I think so. Okay. So we're going to git commit. Let's just get add all. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete some of these files. Oh, look at how cranky it is. Why is that taking forever? I've got the git ignore, the readme, bot2.js, connotation.csv, vet.js. Why is it so big? Y'all, that was too much. That took too long. That worries me. Why do you think it was so big? Should we look at ls-la? That will tell us how big everything is. The Python portion of my code, Typhus, I am a beginner-ish. So, please go ahead and talk to me about it. I'm happy to hear about it. Big CSV file, is it? Okay, so the connotation.csv has got to be what the connotation of each of the words are. So let's go ahead and look at it. I think I'm going to do that. It is a big CSV file, Road Kaba. By the way, welcome in. It's nice to see you. Thanks for chatting. Thanks for joining the chat. Get status, you said? Get status? Yes, well. Oh, I see. Oh, my test. Why is my test so... What? What did he, what? Woof! Yeah, I guess my virtual environment is not in the git ignore, which I want it to be. Damn. Have I just been pushing it? Ugh. Ick. Well, I can undo the commit, right? Because I didn't push it. I can amend it. Oh, I just added them. Oh, you're right. I just added them. Oh, that's fantastic. I can unstage. Fantastic. Bubbles! Kyle! Hello, my good friend. How are you? How is it going? Get restore stage to unstage. Okay. Woo! Bubbles in my face. Thank you so much. All right. Get restore. Did I do it right? Get restore stage. Just got to do this more often. Get restore staged file. So I'm just going to do test / this one first. And then I probably want to what do you mean? Path? Oh, thanks. Lazy Git a lot, so convenient. I don't want to. I love working in command line personally. And I like it just feels like I have more control. I don't know why. Probably because so many things aren't abstracted for me, you know, and I get to learn more too, you know. Hold on. Update instead of all. If you only want to add changes in files that are already tracked, Use dash dash update instead of all. Use only test. You don't want any of it. Okay. Okay, so then if I do git status, I still have to get rid of the virtual environment, right? Oh, okay, okay. But why? Bubbles! Yeah. Yeah, I gotcha. Lazy's good sometimes. It depends on what your goal is. And honestly, I want to learn as much as I possibly can by making all the mistakes. So, all right. So thanks, QLogic. So you think, let's see, do I need to add, I should modify get ignore as well. So let me just open that. Vim get ignore and then add it here. I want to add, do I do this then? That's what I'm doing with sentiment analysis, or is that? I get so confused with git. Yeah, I don't think I modified it, Typhus. I had a git ignore, but I didn't modify it. Sentiment analysis. I like, oops. That was funny. How many times has that happened? I like how verbose the command line can be and how easy it is to kind of dive into some of the complexities and features. Yeah, it is a double-edged sword, definitely. The dot asterisk is a bit odd. Well, and I think that's how I learned. It might just be a bad habit, QLogic. I can just take it out. All right, well, let's try it anyway. Let's go ahead and experiment. You know, why not? I'm not sure what that would, like if I did, hold on. It doesn't ignore it. It's just adding the test again. So you're right. It probably doesn't, it probably shouldn't do the dot asterisk, but why? It's weird because my sentiment analysis one isn't working either, but I don't want to not commit that. I do want to commit that. ls la test. It shows it. What? Oh, I wonder if it's not, I wonder if I'm not thinking about it the right way. Is it applied if it's not committed itself? I think it still should be. It should still read. It should still read the get ignore on this end. So I think it is still applied, but maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Oh, I'm learning Git. That's the whole thing. All right, so let's go back. Let's go. The directories, right? Right. It's weird. QLogic. All right, so let's do. What did I just do? I did. All right, and then let's go back to get ignore. Get vim get. And then we'll go ahead and just take the delete and then delete. And then we'll do right quit. All right, brilliant. Okay, so then now, okay, now it's ignoring the test completely. So that's good news. Cool. Thanks, QLogic. It's interesting because I just ignored the entire directory though, and it worked. But it's like only looking at the files in the directory. I've been using the same git ignore for all projects since, I don't know, 2018 is always the first thing to commit. Oh, 100%. I agree that. It expands the directories you asked. So that's a bit ls -lad test. That only prints out exactly what matches. Oh, I see. All right, I got you. All right. So we're gonna git add and I think we're just gonna push this for now, even though I want to pull, actually I want to delete a bunch of stuff. Actually, I want to delete a bunch of files. So how do I do that in the terminal I'm working in? I'm trying to think about our remove. I guess I just do rm remove, right? Remove, because I already have this snyk. I'm gonna break everything. And where is serial? That's the one I want though. How do I do the copy? That's weird. Is that even gonna work because of the space? Won't add empty directories? Before space? Okay, thank you, brainless. So I do an escape and then another escape. Thank you. That helped a lot. I appreciate it. I tried to tab complete it. It didn't work. I'm not in bash though. That's true. Yeah, it looks like it worked. Why? Okay, they're not staged yet. So git, wait, remove serial. Okay. And I want to keep serial. I want to remove parse a CSV. Okay, remove parse CSV. Remove index.js. Remove fetch. Remove connotation. Interesting. Do I want to remove connotation? I think I don't know. I gotta look at my code a little bit to make sure. All right. I need to look at connotation. Oh, fetch and index I took out. I need to look at connotation. Well, I don't need to look at connotation. I need to look at my code to see if, yeah, I'll admit, like at this point, it is easier to like if you're just looking at code, it's sort of, and maybe there's a better way to do this in terms of, oh, hey, Gray Hatter. Hello, PowerShell. It's not Bash. Yeah, PowerShell. PowerShell, what Microsoft gave Windows after stealing from Bash for a decade. Yeah, nice. Bash expands the star. LS prints its contents without -d. I don't remember what -d is. -d is, I don't remember what -d is. Okay, so what I'm trying to, I want to see if my sentiment analysis code uses connotation.csv, because if it uses it, I want to consider keeping it in. But then, so what's a really good way to use, like, oh, it's cat, right? Right, cat. So I could do cat sentiment analysis, vibes, and then main. And then I can look at it a little bit. But still, I don't know. I might like the VS Code way of like being able to look at them side by side. Add 1 of 10. All right, time to get coffee. Mm-hmm. That's a good idea, Gray Hatter. I could grab the connotation.csv. That's actually not a bad idea. Duh. Okay, so grep. Oh my God. Did I fuck that up? Time to install bat. Okay. What is it doing? What did I do? Oh, it's waiting for input? Oh, okay. Grep what you want in a file? Can I do it in a directory instead of a file? Because if I want to look in sentiment analysis specifically. I see. I see. Grep R something. So it's look. All right, hold on. So it's looking for connotation.csv from data you pipe into it. Okay. Just a bunch of weird aliases to Linux tools that aren't really the same. PowerShell passes objects around. Doesn't do strings very well. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it up here. You asked it to search for connotation.csv in its standard input. Okay, so I need to do grep. So you're saying do grep. All right, I should just do, you know what? Pattern selection and interpretation. Patterns are extended regular expressions. Fixed string. I don't think I want any of this. I'm not worried about that. Miscellaneous, output control. -R is recursive. Oh, recursive for the directory. I got you. Okay, okay. All right, let's do that. So we're gonna do grep connotation, so -R connotation.csv. So it says parse connot. Okay, so it looks like I use it in bot.js. Is it still going? Like, is that why it's leaving a space here? Oh, -R. So it's not in sentiment analysis. String you want to find, -R files you want to look in. Oh, okay, so I fucked it up. Well, why did it work here then? So it's basically saying, I do want to pass connotation as the pattern. Okay, because of grep magic. I do want to pass connotation as the pattern. If you want the file, you need to pass one more argument, file or folder. All right, so I will do, I see. Is this still, oh, sorry. Okay, so if I did grep connotation .csv -r in sentiment analysis, then it will look in sentiment analysis for connotation dot busyboxes grep. I don't know who busybox is. Oh, it's gonna look in my virtual environment. That's a fair point. Q logic. Interesting point. Although sentiment analysis doesn't have the virtual environment in it. Rip grep. Don't need to, you just know that there are different makers of grep. Oh, okay, good to know. So I noticed that it's in bot.js. I wonder if it's in bot 2. So let's see. Grep. Switch file or directory. There is though. I don't know why. There's not. It's right there, but oh fudge. I deleted it. You're right, I removed it. I also want to remove bot.js too. Shit. Why did I do that? Oh my God. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why am I doing that? Well, hold on. So is Vibes not working then? It's broken. Broken because I deleted everything. I can't find the code. Or it can. No, hold on. Yeah. Right. It is working. Hold on. Okay, y'all, hold on. I know nothing is lost. I need some thinking through this for a hot minute. So like on Windows, I right, I know I'm in WSL. So like no, hold on. I switched the branch. I still have everything in the other branch. I switched the branch. This is a piece of like Git. My brain is working with something right now that like I don't think I understood before, but I always kind of knew. Okay, so when you switch a branch locally, your files change. Oh my gosh, my brain is just totally like, is only tracked files change. I do still have it in this one. Right, that I understand. When you switch to a newly created branch, nothing changes, correct. And I'm going to commit these removals to this branch, but then I'm going to switch. Branches are just tracked changes. So if I remove the file, fuck, hold on, fuck. I'm removing it from this branch, but I'm not removing it from the... But I'm removing it. Yeah, I get it. Shh. I mean, no. Yeah, I think people aren't understanding the information that I'm missing, right? So like the information that I am... When you're in a... Morning. Hi, Mirror Thief. Right now on my desktop. There's a git.git folder that's a copy of everything. No. We're not trying to get a file back. Really, all I care about is... How's it going, Null Coder? How you doing? If I commit this, I've removed these files and I'm working on this branch. But if I switch to the other branch, then the files... Here's what I'm... Okay, all right. What I'm thinking about is how the files are working with the app that's running Vibrator, right? A Vibrator needs all of the rules to run, although it could, if I built it correctly, it wouldn't need it, right? If it was a build and I was using a build instead of the, but I'm not. That's the end of the story. Yeah, if I switch branches, I'll get the files as... Yes, I understand that. I understand how Git... but the difference is like, how is the app running when I removed files that it needs to run? Like bot2.js is what it needs to run, but I just removed that file. So how is my app running? Because Linux rules. Okay. So as soon as even though it's in memory, fascinating. It's fast API. Okay, I don't want the real answer. It's super complicated. Hatter, can we talk about it some other time? Would you would give me the real answer, right? Like at some point. It's a file system. Okay, cool. It's a file system issue on Linux. Those files aren't deleted until the last open connected is closed. Interesting, QLogic open connection. You're right. No, it's okay. We'll wait. Cool. So when I close the open connection, I see. No. Okay. So if I go ahead and I remove all the files that I want, commit them to this branch, and then check out the other branch, will it stop or will it keep going? Piling. You see, it all started with a big bang. Okay. Connection file descriptor. Okay, got you. Okay. All right. All right. Interesting. There's no issue, Mika poem, but what I'm thinking about is basically I want to, on Windows, you can't delete it if it's open. That's why you need to reboot. Jeez. So if I remove these and then I check out the, you must first invent the universe. Yeah, Pai Lang knows. Okay, so if I remove these, commit this branch, and then check out the branch that has the running, I'm not on Windows. Well, I am on Windows. I'm on WSL. Then check out the branch that's running the code. Then the branch that is running the code becomes my local version of the code and nothing. But I'm running on Windows, not on Linux. It's all very interesting. This is all very interesting. Computers are cool, you guys. I had no idea. I haven't opened Pandora's box. That's what I'm here to do. Hello, Farhan. How are you doing? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Whew. Okay, so can I do this? I don't even care if I stop. I don't want to commit the environment, so I don't want to. So let me do get status. Only mistake you have is loving Python. Thanks, Lisp gamer. I love a lot of us. I've been nerdified. Yeah, now I'm gonna start reading books about this stuff, Piling. It's not true, Piling. We all know. Come from data science. Can you tell? Lisp gamer, how can you tell? Typhus. Be gentle, y'all. We all have opinions. I love Python and I'm allowed to love Python. You can call it a mistake if you must, but we're not going to debate it. They were a very cool mistake. 100% Fafin. All right. So it looks like bot.js isn't even on this commit. So I'm not going to bother deleting it. Bot 2 is though. Where's the CSV? All right. And connotation, did we decide that connotation was needed or not needed? Oh, sorry, machine learning. I see on screen. Oh, I don't know. I'm a software developer too, Lisp. I do it now as my job, but I did come from data science, so. That's a bad reason to hate it. 100% Fafin. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's probably in the branch. You're right. Yeah, let's go ahead and delete it then. So we're gonna remove bot. Can I just remove all JS files? Yeah. Brilliant. Do I want to remove the packages? I do. I want to remove the node modules. I want to remove as a directory. Let's do this then. Whew. Cannot remove TMIJS is a directory. Ack. Ack, ack, ack. Do I do dot all here? Fucking hell. How do I get rid of node modules? Or remove -S? All right. -R. I don't need to refact. R is kind of dangerous. Yeah, but it's, I don't care. I don't want it in here. Wait, Kettlebear, gonna try to watch stream from ideal state. Hold on. Assuredly cool. Wait, are we making fun? What's happening? I don't get these jokes. Code node modules, then remove. About to say the same about the F. Yeah, the force. Sorry. Yeah. I'm not worried about piling. I'm not worried about, okay, I'll be extra focused. I'm not worried about it right now. Oh, turn off. Amen, Kettle Bear. I'm not worried right now because I'm going to just, oh, you're right. You're right. Hold on. You're right. Because I don't have node modules on my, it's only local. You're right. Sorry. Yep. You're right. Yeah. Actually, let me just compare this to actual what's on Git right now. So I've got, whoa. I have my, so it will, I can take them off here, right? But it's not committed, so I want to leave it. Yeah, right. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna do get connotation is though. Song's broken? Okay. The song is broken? What's wrong, Hatter? Did you want a different song? uh, ideal stream watching state. Ideal state is not equal to ideal stream watching state. Oh, fair point. I don't know what the song is. Oh, it's Piling song. I did build npm. Okay, I think. All right, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna get and we're gonna do vibes only commit. Git config. Does it need quotes or does it just tell me? Whoa. I thought the music mattered. I get knocked down. It says support for password was removed. Have I just not updated this since then? Hold on. To have not right. I just don't know if I did. Okay, so I can't do this anymore. I have to get a token. What happened? You disconnected? I've disconnected? Hold on, let's go back. Skip song. I get up again. SSH keys. You can use sure and git commit. Yeah. Yeah. I don't mind. I like, you're right though. Maybe I should build into one commit. Yeah. Am I a beginner? Yes, I am kind of a beginner. I don't know. I'm not advanced at anything. I'm like the middle of the road for some things. And for the most part, I use git like just to commit things to a repository that's already built. All right, SQL? A little bit, I guess, sometimes. All right, so then we should switch to an SSH key. But I think I can do this. Was the origin dev? I wonder if it's different. Hold on, can I just, hold on. Let me check something because, so I sort of want to understand, let's make sure. Okay, good. I just want to, yeah, I did delete everything in here. Okay, good. So then why can I not commit here? Hold on. Stop it, go away. What is this? Okay, so you have a terminal. And what happens if I on branch dev, nothing to commit, working tree clean? This doesn't make sense to me. Yeah, what? So did I commit? Y'all. I don't want to force push. I'm okay with that. I'm still missing something, I think. Yeah, I couldn't do a token. You're right. I'm just thinking right now. What am I making? A vibrator. It reads the vibes of everybody. I did commit, but I want to push. Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Right. Get push. Yeah, get push. Set upstream origin dev. Create a pull request for dev on GitHub. So Linux doesn't. Look at how lovely I am. It's about GitHub, not Linux. I do have a token on Windows. Yeah. I do. Interesting. So now I have to get a token on Linux, which is fascinating because it's the same damn computer. But I guess it's like imitating. It did. Or SSH keys, sure. I can use the same token. So I just have to tell Git where to look for the token. I can switch to SSH keys too, but I'm not gonna. They have different config directories. That's interesting, Q. All right, well, because it's push succeeded on Windows, not on WSL. It's pretty important that I can, I mean, really, I was just trying to work with it in here, so it's actually not that bad. I do have SSH on my server, and that is where, yeah, I want to work in this environment, exactly. But I do have SSH on my server, so it's not too bad. I just pushed a new branch. Let's just check out the branch. I want to make sure, and then I want to check out, git checkout. What is it, main? It's probably master. All right, brilliant. All right, now everything's back. Hopefully. My known modules are there. It's funny that bot is not there because I didn't commit it. So when I removed it for good, which is interesting. When I remove something on WSL, does it go to the recycle bin? Or is there no recycle bin because it's a different OS? It's good to know. Interesting. I mean, it's okay. Like, I don't mind that I lost bot forever. This is a good lesson. It's really good lesson. It's not virtualizing trash. Move. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea, Daph. Huh. Neat. Nothing on Git is last forever. That's true. I could go to Git log. No, but it's not on Git, Typhus. That's the whole point. It's not on Git. Bot.js is not on Git. But temp is basically a recycle bin, just not as persistent. Can I go check it out, Piling? Bot.js might be there. Try git ls files dev -1 in the git log. What are we working on? Creative Manual. We're working on CD temp. Let's do that. Piling. We're working on something called vibrator. It is do I need to put a oh yeah. It's not. It's not. Oh, let me finish. So vibrator rates the vibes of what you say. So if you go creative. If you go vibe rating, then you can see the rating of your vibes in chat. And if you want to check if something you said was negative, say this sentence or positive or whatever, then you'll get a rating, basically your vibe rating. And we got to fix like connotation and stuff to have it do better. Da, 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 da. It is cool. And it's going to get better and better and better. Yeah, cuz I'm going to improve it. What am I forgetting though? Piling, I'm trying to look for the file that I'm forgetting that this is a directory, so I don't know. Would it be negative to be happy? Oh, interesting. I wonder if it just canceled itself out. Unclear. Yeah, a lot of the model, the word model that's on there is not great. I deleted something and I'm trying to locate it just to see if it lives somewhere. It's okay if it didn't. It's fine. I'm not using it. I want to make sure that my code still works, everything still works, but you blipped it out of existence permanently. Well, delete with RM. Yeah. Cool. Good to know. Did I lose data? No. I don't think so. No. I just lost an old file that I didn't need. So I'm good. As long as this still works though. It was the only one that and the packet, yeah, it was the only one that I deleted that wasn't on the list. So it's okay. It's okay. I don't care while removing, don't mix. Well, that's true, Piling, but right. I think you're right, except I didn't. I think you're right. That's why I didn't remove node modules and why bot.js didn't die. I deleted all the JS files though, but the ones that were already in the Git mattered and the ones that weren't didn't. And so that's okay. It's cleaner now too. So just not accessible. That's true, brainless, I'm sure, but I'm not going to worry about it. Nah, it's okay. If you want the recycle bin feel, move file temp. Okay, I'll do that from now on, Piling. I think that's a good idea. I could refactor. I could alias remove to move, temp or something, right? That might be interesting. First time I would really work like with aliasing a shell. Maybe not right now though. Yeah, all right. That's a cool idea. It's probably in the history and I'm curious now. In the Git history, it is not in the Git history. I mean, it might be in early Git history, like early. But yeah, not likely because I didn't have it on this branch. Like I would know. All right, I'll check your command. Bossy. Just kidding. All right, so git list tree. You want me to do name only? Name only. I'm on a different branch now though. I'm on a different branch, so is it okay? You said use this command. We switched branches. Silicon Milk. Nice job, 24. You're vibing. That's good, Freedom Dow. Number 9. Hell yeah! Look at you go. All right. Coolio. Should I just press enter? I don't know. It is not here. See? Bot2 is here, but bot.js is not here because I never committed it in the first place. It's all good. I'm not worried about it. I'm nice and happy. So the next thing that I wanted to do is refactor Fast API to my code to operate with Flask. But I don't think I'm going to do that tonight because I have to drive at 3 o'clock. You're welcome. You're welcome. Is it Riker and Stone? Or Alan! It took a while. Flask and Fast API. Well, Flask, okay, so Fast API is the package, or it's the, Jesus, it's the server, I don't know what this is. It's a package, it's a virtual server. What is it? I don't know. It's an API framework that I'm using to serve my code. And I want to Fast API is fine, but I think Flask is more robust and I want to use something more robust on my server. I'm talking about what my code is served with. It is served with a Fast API on a virtual environment, and I want to serve it on Flask on my server, not in a virtual environment. And I would like to refactor it a little. Both are very mature. Fast API is good for APIs, Flask for serving websites. So I'm going to serve, oh, interesting. Okay, maybe it's not piling. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Flask used for website. So uWhiskey, I only have examples of using Flask with it, but maybe I need to think about it a little more. 100%. Typhus, from your knowledge of, okay, so from your, actually, I would love to hear your thoughts on this because we have a ongoing knowledge share about whether or not it's, never mind. Well, yeah, so we talk about whether virtual environment should be used in production. And I think a lot of people say no. Some people say, yeah, it's just a container. Some people say that because it uses pip install, it doesn't look at system approved Python packages. And since Python package manager is much better than it used to be then, or it's good now or good or whatever, then it's better to run it without a virtual environment. Fast API is ASCII and Flask is Whiskey. So that means that I can't use it with uWhiskey. So right now I'm serving my Python on my server with uWhiskey. And so I see that makes sense, Hatter. That was nonsense. I have a website on Flask. Don't let Typhus, let's not say what people say are nonsense. I like half truths. Okay. We can state that, but let's just be kinder and just always respect that people are trying their best and trying to explain their best. I just want everybody to be able to say things in a way that can be openly thought about, just in a kind way. So that was nonsense, is not too bad, but just a little mean. I know Wolfrid's thing always makes everybody jump. The world is flat. Jackson! Damn it! Damn it, Jackson! Now I have to respectfully disagree with you. You can, no, listen, there's a difference between judgment and like, hey, I hear what you're saying. These are the things that I think might be alternative to what you're saying. That's all. Can you refactor the code for me? Typhus, are you mad? Did you run away because I corrected you? Oh, I lost a viewer. JK. That's how it happens, though. I just meant that, like, let's just be respectful. Nonsense is mean. Is my project OS? I don't know. You can't get over something flat. How can I get over it if it's flat? It's not a ball. Yeah, but how can I see the end? Is this machine learning? A little bit it is, Poca Pips. It's sentiment analysis, basically natural language processing. What I'm eventually would like to do is use a large language model to help me with this. But okay, so Flask by nature and as default is synchronous whiskey. But if you want async, ASCII, you can just install the async version of Flask. Here is my bit. Use Fast API if you want the best speed possible. Use Flask for anything else because the docs are better and more add-ons. Okay, so Typhus, because I'm using uWhiskey on my server to serve Python or to basically be a web server to Python, what is an alternative? I'm just not sure how I haven't really seen any examples of using Fast API with it because it's, like you said, async or ASCII. I know only Python? Absolutely not. I know Python, I know some PHP, I know JavaScript, I know like 4 seconds of Go. That's a joke. I don't really. Try Flask. If you're prototyping, try Flask. All right, got you. I know a little bit of TypeScript, but I sort of fail at it all the time. Have I seen Mojo? Is Mojo a streamer? Silicon Milk? That's good advice, Typhus. So thank you. I'll think about that. Flask for anything else because the docs are better and there are more add-ons. C, I've written in C. Yes, I do a little bit of Java. I haven't done any Rust. Piling. I've done a little bit of C. I've done a little bit of Go. TSJS, I don't know what MS is. I also do, thanks you guys. Apparently the shiny hair is like a thing today. I also do VBA. I know a lot of people don't count that, but I do. It's a pain in the ass. So any language that you know well enough to call a pain in the ass, I think is legit. Microsoft, yes. PowerShell. Yeah, you're right. Piling, you're right. Microsoft is a language. Never deployed Fast API in a production environment, so no idea what the USG alternative for Fast API is. I guess Uvicorn. Yeah, I gotta think about it. Yes, I'm using Uvicorn. Freedom DAO. MVBA. Nice, Morishana. Oh my god, Photoshop? I do use Photoshop. Yep. PowerShell works. I do use Photoshop. So I have done a fair amount of scripting for Photoshop. So yeah, I guess. I haven't done very much scripting for Photoshop, but I have used Blender and I've done a tad bit of scripting for Blender. Not really. Microsoft is a pain, hence it's a language. Blender is awful. I used it once to die, never again. Well, I have. Microsoft is not a language, but VBA is, and it's a pain in the butt. Oh, I guess .NET. I don't know. I don't know any .NET though. Or I might know some. Anyway, so your question was, do I only know Python? And I think the answer is no. I don't only know Python. I know more languages than I know about one language. JK. I know a ton of JavaScript, Jackson. But okay. I've been doing a little Rust stuff, including some web server stuff. Ah, cool. I know nothing. Oh. I mean, Pyling. Vim is a language. Just takes everything and makes their own version of it. So it's sort of its own language. Oh, cute. All right, y'all. So I can't do this today. I am going on a flight very far away this week. I will be back though. So Monday night is when I come back. So I will stream next Tuesday. I'm not missing stream. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry. You want to troll everybody? Is that what this is about? I gotta put it in streamer mode. Oh, okay. Okay. I did? Oh, Synthrandus, did I lose your IRL bubbles? I'm sorry about that. We can replay them. Let's replay them. Sorry about that. Do I wish I was a bird? No, because then I wouldn't get to interact with you fine people. I could, I guess. I would sing to you all the time. Celebrate! Celebrate! Synthrandus, I'm so sorry I missed your bubbles. Oh, I didn't celebrate them. Well, here they are. Once again, you got double bubble. Synthrandus got double bubble tonight. So, yay! Sing. Sing. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go to sleep for a little while before I drive at 3. Wait a minute. Wait. You said read my messages. What, like these on chat messages? What are you talking about? Do I have more messages to read? Piling commands you and you're like, sure. Oh yeah, legit. No, that's what happens. Everyone else gets called bossy. Yes, especially Piling sometimes doesn't even just command me. He'll just like say some words to this lyric songs and I just sing it. That's just what happens. Blind and deaf now, thank you. Jackson, you're so mean. Jackson, you're not very uplifting. Be kind. I was a bit bossy though. Yeah, especially when you're like, try my command. It's okay. It happens. We're all learning together. We're all exploring together. I appreciate it. Well, in here, you seem like an okay person. So you go ahead, are welcome until you hurt my feelings. All right. I hope you have a better day, Jackson. You're appreciated. Feel better. You're welcome. All right. We are going to raid Kai because I love Kai. And I will talk to you all soon. Thank you so much for hanging out tonight. I will see you soon. I'm really excited about the next stream. I'm really excited to put this onto my server. All right. Bye, everybody. See you soon. Have a good night. Bye.